Optimum Internet Provider Review Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of Optimum Internet. Links to products and additional information are provided in the description below. Optimum is a popular internet service provider offering high-speed cable and fiber internet plans tailored for households and businesses. Let's go over its features, who it's designed for, and what to expect from its performance. Optimum provides a range of internet plans with speeds starting at 300 Mbps and going up to 5 Gbps in areas with fiber availability. These speeds make Optimum a great option for families, remote workers, and gamers who rely on fast, stable connections for streaming, video calls, and online gaming. Their no data caps policy is a standout feature, ensuring unlimited internet usage without worrying about overage fees or throttled speeds. One of Optimum's key selling points is its affordable pricing, which often includes promotional rates for new customers. They also offer bundled services, including TV and phone options, providing flexibility for those looking to streamline their utilities. Additionally, Optimum supports smart Wi-Fi 6 technology, which improves performance and device capacity within your home. For larger homes, you can add mesh Wi-Fi extenders for seamless connectivity throughout the property. Installation is available as a professional service or a DIY self-installation kit, depending on your preference. Optimum also provides its customers with access to nationwide Wi-Fi hotspots, a helpful perk for staying connected on the go. However, some users have noted that Optimum's customer service can be inconsistent, with occasional delays in resolving issues. Additionally, while their fiber plans are highly competitive, availability is limited to select areas, and users in non-fiber regions may experience slower speeds and reliability. In conclusion, Optimum is an excellent choice for users seeking fast internet with no data caps at competitive prices, especially in areas with fiber access. It's particularly well suited for families, gamers, and professionals needing reliable connectivity. Check out the links in the description for more details, or to see if Optimum is available in your area.